Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And if I got some of the plants which I had ordered came in today. Some of them, a couple of them came in right before, like right as I was leaving to go to work today, and one came in by UPS. And in this one here, this is actually a Sarracenia rhizome. The pictures were cut off, and it was wrapped in a paper towel, and you see the growing points right here. I can't plan anything right now with it of being so late at night. And in here, these are actually a couple of Drosera filiformis hiberniculum. And a hiberniculum is what temperate sundews form into when they go dormant for the wintertime. They are Drosera filiformis and Drosera tracei. This is actually it's still filiformis, but it is actually a variety of filiformis. And over here is actually a small pitcher plant. This is most definitely a hybrid. It's definitely got some purpurea in it because of the shape of the pitcher, and it looks like it might have got some rubra in there, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to take a picture of this, and I'm going to post it on Facebook and see if somebody there actually knows exactly what it's crossed with. And if I find out what the name of the hybrid is, I can look up its heritage. I got some more of plants on the way. One of them is from North Carolina. It was a deal on 5 offsets of Sarracenia rhizomes, and it's from North. And of when they're selling, when a nursery is selling of bare rhizomes of Sarracenia, what they're trying to do is they're trying to make way for some new plants. So they're trying to clear out their old pitcher plants. So yeah, these are the plants that I currently have. And more are going to be on the way. And I also got some Darlingtonia californica seeds coming in the way too. And those are from the Pacific Northwest, which are native to Southern Oregon and Northern California. So if you happen to like this video, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.